Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel where we talk all things life, food, family, and fun. Today, we're talking food hacks, and I've got 3 of them for you that'll make your life a whole lot easier in the kitchen. So if you're interested in finding out what these 3 are...
You had me at hello.
Well, okay then. Let's get started, and let's do this. Okay, so I've got 3 hacks for you today that I can't believe I haven't known this. Like, I've been doing it wrong for so many years. The first one is about boiling eggs and trying to get those shells off. Sometimes they come off really easily, and other times it's just ridiculous trying to pry it off. And so I looked up a hack on how to make that easier, and it's super, super simple. We tried this out. I had my son do it, and so I'll insert a little bit of footage of him actually peeling off both of them and seeing how that works. All you have to do is add a tablespoon or 2 of white vinegar to your boiling water, and then add the eggs when it's boiling, and then put them in there for 14 minutes, and do it at a small boil or a simmer, and then they just peel off super easily. I mean, I wouldn't say it's like night and day difference, but it's definitely worth adding those extra tablespoons in there and just making it easy, because it peeled off super easy every time I had those. The other ones were okay, and they, you know, I think part of the thing is that I peeled them immediately after boiling them. I threw them in an ice bath and then immediately peeled them. So I kind of need to go back, I think, and refrigerate them before I peel them and see if the refrigeration process kind of re-adheres the shell to the egg, and if it then doesn't make a difference. But if you throw them in an ice bath and peel them right after they're cool, it comes off every time. And the science behind that is that the vinegar actually starts to break down the shell, and so it gets thinner and it's easier to peel off. Now, I will say that it does kind of put some spots on the shells, so if you are doing this in order to color them for Easter, it is going to have some spots on there, which actually kind of looks cool. It looks like dinosaur eggs. I mean, I think that would look fine, but if you want them perfectly white with no spots on them at all, then maybe you shouldn't use it for that hack. Okay, so the second hack is whenever you're measuring out anything sticky, syrup, honey, peanut butter, corn syrup, any of those kinds of things, that you put it in the spoon and then, you're pouring it out into your measuring cups, and, you're sitting there for 8,000 years trying to get it all out, and it never all comes out.
It's been 84 years.
So the simple hack is just to spray your measuring cup or spoon with some nonstick cooking spray before you put the sticky stuff in there, and it'll slide out perfectly every time. And I mean, really, so simple. How did I not know this? Like, where have I been? I don't know. Anyway, super cool hack, super easy. Okay, and then the last one, my daughter actually told me, and I was like, what? How do you know this and I don't know this? When you are zesting any kind of citrus, oranges, limes, lemons, it's super yummy in all different kinds of recipes. But when you're taking that fruit over the microplane and you're, trying to grate it into it, it kind of gets everywhere. You have to just only grate in this tiny little spot so that it all just falls into the bowl. And it's kind of a pain. It gets everywhere. Well, you've been doing it wrong. Well, okay, I've been doing it wrong for years.
Tell me I'm doing it wrong. I know how to do this.
Hi, Jack. I'm Annette.
Hi.
You're doing it wrong.
The way you're supposed to do it is zest it upside down. Yep, turn the microplane over, zest it upside down, and it all stays inside the little microplane, and then all you have to do is dump it, and it goes right in. Like, really? Really? How do I not know this? But now I know this, and you don't have to get it all over your counter when you're trying to zest some citrus. Okay, ladies, that's everything for today's video. I hope you love these 3 tips. I hope it makes your life just a little bit easier in the kitchen, and you'll try it out. Please leave me a comment below on any kind of kitchen hack that you want me to try out, anything that's weird that you just want to know, does it really work? I mean, do those Pinterest hacks really work? So leave me a comment, ask me to do a kitchen hack and I'll feature it in a future video. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and leave me a comment. I post every Tuesday and Thursday, so please come back to my channel and find some new videos. Until next time, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya, ladies.
Much easier.
Ooh.
Yeah.